Oh, why hello there. My name is Timmy Shea, and I am a senior studying Natural Resources Conservation at the University of Massachusetts Amherst. I am also a student in the Integrated Concentration in Science and the Waste and Recycling Fellowship Program. And today, I'm going to tell you a little something about composting. We have over 30,000 students, faculty, and staff here at UMass, and together we produce a lot of food waste. Through the process of composting, we can convert this food waste into fertilizer and divert it from landfills. According to Sustainable UMass, we compost over 1,400 tons of food waste each year, making composting the university's largest recycling stream. Hello, this is Shea, investigative journalist reporting breaking news live from the Blue Wall Dining Facility. Tonight, at this very location, a composting crime has been committed. This very apple core has been placed in the trash. The trash people, come on! I'm afraid that these senseless crimes happen far too often. 1,400 tons is a big number, but this figure only accounts for the food waste that makes it into the compost bins. Compost bins can be found at dining locations and in the North apartments, but residence halls and academic buildings lack these bins, forcing people to bring their compost elsewhere or to throw it in the trash. Even when the right bins are available, some people still do not use them correctly. Hello again, this is investigative journalist Shea. Breaking news today is I have just received word that residence halls do not have compost bins. I must get to the bottom of this. I'm going to call my friend Connie Compost, who lives in a residence hall here at UMass. Ring. Ring. Hello, Connie. This is investigative journalist Shea. I have just found out that there are no compost bins where you live. Is this true? Uh-huh. He says there aren't. Despicable. What? What? There are no compost bins in academic buildings either? This is worse than I thought. Well, it appears that Shea is absolutely outraged by this information, but I have known the truth all along, and I'm going to do something about it. I am researching the efficiency of UMass's current composting initiative, and I intend to figure out how to better this system. I am conducting my research in 3 parts. In part 1, I am working with the Office of Waste Management to take a closer look at how we deal with our food waste. We are trying to get a better sense of how much compostable waste is actually generated versus how much is being properly disposed of. I am also trying to find out whether or not the industrial composting facility that UMass uses is the most efficient and cost-effective way to get rid of our compost. Part 2 of my research aims to compare UMass's composting initiative to programs at other schools, such as the University of New Hampshire and the University of Vermont, in order to gain knowledge from other perspectives. The third part of my research, which I will conduct throughout the spring semester, will focus on finding practical solutions to shortcomings within campus's composting system. This will include surveying students and staff to find out what they know, what they don't know, and what would make composting more accessible to them. With the knowledge I hope to gain from my research, I will write a plan for the university outlining ways to create a more sustainable waste disposal system here at UMass. Composting. You should do it.